get the ingredients together: milk, cream, cocoa powder, sugar, and Marie biscuits or rich tea biscuits. Rich tea biscuits, you soak it in milk and put a layer. Then you get the chocolate mixture together, which is the cream, the sugar, and the cocoa powder. And whisk that well together, and then layer it in between the biscuits and the thing, and keep doing the layering and the biscuits. You can dip it in milk and put the layer in, and another layer of chocolate mix, and you keep doing that alternately.